You've heard of UpNote and Obsidian, but which Note app truly fits your workflow in 2025? One promises simplicity, the other, endless power. Which one really delivers? On the left, UpNote. Clean, beautiful note-taking for focus and ease. And on the right, Obsidian, build your personal knowledge system with Markdown. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the mind map of what we're comparing today: price, features and customization, integration and sync, ease of use and privacy and ownership. So grab your digital pens or just follow along and let's see which app wins each round. Alright, starting off with price, it's always the first thing we care about. So UpNote, honestly, for under $30 you get lifetime access. Pretty wild, right? Or you can do a monthly thing for about $3. Premium gets you unlimited notes, unlimited devices, the works. Downside, if you're on the free plan, expect limitations, just 50 notes and 3 devices. Now for Obsidian, personal use is free, yup, free. But if you want to sync across devices or publish your notes, you're looking at extras like $4 a month for sync. And commercial use, that'll set you back $50 a year. Kinda gets pricey if you want all the bells and whistles. So for price, UpNote takes it. It's just easier on the wallet. Okay, features and customization, this is where things get spicy. UpNote is super distraction-free, really sleek editor, and you get both rich text and Markdown. It's perfect for basic organization, think notebooks, tags, table of contents. And it's a big but, there's no plugin system, no advanced customizations, so don't expect graphs or backlinks. It's kind of what you see is what you get. Moving to Obsidian, oh boy. If you want full control, Obsidian is where it's at. You get powerful Markdown support, the famous graph view that lets you visualize your knowledge connections, and over 2,300 plugins. Seriously, you can automate, manage tasks, theme it however you want. You even get daily notes, backlinks, the whole 9 yards. But you know what? It comes with a learning curve. Setting this thing up at first is not zero effort. For features, Obsidian blows it out of the water. Next up, integration and sync. So with UpNote, syncing is pretty much seamless across all your devices as long as you're on paid. It works offline, and hey, they're big on data privacy with end-to-end encryption. Only catch: you don't get third-party integrations. That's it. Now Obsidian, it's local first, so your notes live on your device unless you pay for their optional sync, which is encrypted too. But here's something cool: Obsidian plugins let you hook into stuff like Readwise, GitHub, Google Drive, you name it. Super flexible if, again, you put in the setup work. Sync feature isn't free, but you get integrations. Obsidian wins here, mainly for the sheer possibilities. Oh, and here's something cool I just have to mention: Obsidian's plugin system is wild. Seriously, you can turn your notes into a Kanban board, roll out your own website, or even create your personal database. Who knew note-taking could do that? Alright, ease of use. UpNote is like install and go. The interface is clean, it's ridiculously intuitive, and you barely need a manual. So if you want to journal or just jot quick notes, you can't go wrong. The slight problem: if your workflow needs anything complex, well, UpNote isn't built for those rabbit holes. On the other hand, Obsidian is flexible as heck once you set it up. Crazy amount of shortcuts, automation, that's all there if you want to spend time learning. But if you're a beginner or hate learning Markdown, it's kind of overwhelming. For ease of use, UpNote is hands down the winner, especially for beginners and casual note takers. And now, privacy and ownership. So UpNote offers end-to-end encryption for anything you sync, which is awesome. But your notes are actually stored in their cloud and you can't get a plaintext Markdown export, so kinda locked in if I'm being honest. With Obsidian, your notes are local by default. You can take them anywhere, open them with anything. It's totally open, standard Markdown and open plugin ecosystem, so you're never stuck. Syncing does cost extra if you want cloud stuff, but overall, Obsidian gives you more control over your own data. So yeah, Obsidian wins this round. Visualizing these categories on a radar chart, you'll see UpNote dominating with simplicity and affordability, while Obsidian kinda explodes in every other category, especially if you're hungry for power features or privacy. So, wrapping things up, if your dream setup is fast, beautiful, and minimal, UpNote is all you need. On the flip side, if you want to build a second brain, automate like crazy, or just play around with workflows, Obsidian is seriously unmatched. My advice: try both, figure out what vibes with your workflow. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.